Raider Nation. Today is Monday, November 17th, 2025, and we're your hosts, Laboy
and Joell.
Welcome to another episode of Frankford High School Television Student News.
And this week's looking forward. Today is a B-Day and is the start of a busy week, starting with an AM assembly schedule for the 11th grade town hall on Wednesday.
Thursday will be our 7th annual coffee house from 4:30 to 7 p.m. Come out and see some of the amazing artwork that your peers have created. You can also see some amazing performances from our art department. Admission is $5 and is free for children 6 and under. We can't wait to see you there.
Friday, we have an AM assembly scheduled for our honor roll assembly. Also, after school is the homecoming dance. Did you get your tickets yet?
Now let's check out this weather for this week.
Hello, I am Samaj, and I'm your weather reporter for today. Monday will be partly cloudy with a high of 48 and a low of 34. Tuesday will be partly cloudy with a high of 48 and a low of 34. Wednesday will be partly cloudy with a high of 51 and a low of 35. Thursday will be mostly cloudy with a high of 52 and a low of 42. And Friday will be partly cloudy with showers and a high of 52 and a low of 43. Thank you, and I will send it back to Joell and Laboy.
Welcome back, and general announcements for the school. Do you love getting hands-on and seeing your work shine? Then join the Mamma Mia set crew and help us build the sun-drenched island getaway for our musical. No experience is needed. Just bring your creativity and enthusiasm to design and build amazing pieces for the stage. If you're ready to make stage magic, report to room 118 with Mr. Barrier on Wednesday, November 19th, right after school. Come help us make this show unforgettable.
The school store is now reopened. Get ready to get your Frankfurt swag and much more by using your Pioneer points.
On Monday, November 24th and Tuesday, November 26th, it will be a half day for students because there will be report card conferences from 12 p.m. to the end of the school day. Please remind your parents and guardians to come in order to meet with your teachers and receive your report cards. On Wednesday, the 26th, it will also be a half day for both staff and students for the start of the Thanksgiving break.
We will also be off on Thursday, the 27th, and Friday, the 28th. School will resume on Monday, December 1st.
Seniors need to complete their senior quotes and yearbook dedication forms that are available on the Team 12 Google Classroom. Please answer the questions ASAP so they can be reviewed and included into the yearbook. Also, senior pictures will be in the auditorium from December 2nd through the 5th. Please make sure that you check your 12th grade Google Classroom and email for your time.
The Frankfurt Instrumental Department and community schools are hosting a canned food drive to show thankfulness by feeding those in need. Food items will also be collected until the end of the week.
Items that are in most need are chicken or tuna, pasta and rice, healthy cereal, fruit and juice, tomato sauce, canned goods, and other non-perishable items. Boxes will be placed in your homeroom and main office. Cash donations can be made to Ms. Kramer in room B17.
The homecoming game will be our annual Thanksgiving Day football game at our stadium. The festivities for the homecoming game begin at 9 a.m., the game at 9:45, and the winners will be announced during halftime.
Up next in our Pioneer Life segments, today 4 videos are from Jonathan, Amir, Jayana, and Samaj. Jonathan asked people what their favorite Halloween candy was. Amir asked people what is one goal they have for this school year. Jayana asked what is your favorite season and why. And Samaj asked what are people's favorite Halloween movies and why. Please enjoy.
I'm here with
Jalen.
Shorty. What's your favorite Halloween candy and why?
My favorite Halloween candy is Twizzlers. Everybody be hating on Twizzlers, but they really the best candy for real.
That is the worst candy I ever heard in history.
Well, you can see me about that.
Well, we can go right now. What's up? I'm here with
Miss Liz.
Miss Liz. What's your favorite Halloween candy and why?
My favorite Halloween candy is a Twix because it is better than every other Halloween candy.
You got that girly mind too. Come on.
Let's go.
All right. Thank you for our time.
Of course.
I'm here with
Taj.
Taj. What's your favorite Halloween candy and why?
Probably Kit Kat because it's just chocolate and it's good.
That candy sucks.
Alright.
All right. Thank you. Yo, I'm here with
Zah.
Zah. What's your favorite Halloween candy and why?
My favorite Halloween. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, Pete though. You got Reese's. Reese's good, gang.
Why is that, Zah?
Reese's and Twix. Back up a little bit. They just good. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just a peanut butter and a Reese squiggling between your tongue, bro. Pause.
I'm here with.
Jen Mary.
What's your favorite Halloween candy and why?
Twix and Snickers.
Why is that?
Because they just taste good. You know, I like the chocolate more than the actual candy. You know, like I don't think that chocolate is candy. Chocolate is chocolate, and that's a big hot take I got. Don't, cause chocolate is chocolate and candy is candy.
Those candies suck.
Yeah, candy's not good. Chocolate is good.
Chocolate's good?
Yes.
All right. Thank you for our time.
What's your name?
Queen Kaya,
Okay. What grade you in?
11.
So what's one goal that you have for the school year?
To maintain honor roll all 4 quarters. And yeah.
And why?
Because, like, it's 11th grade, your hardest year, and I want to go to college. Well, if I don't go to college, I'm going to go to school for real estate. So you need good grades. Y'all, stay in school, get good grades, and be the baddest, always.
So what's your name?
Crystal.
What's your name?
Liz.
So what's one goal for the school year that y'all have?
For me, I say to keep being an honor student.
Right.
To get good grades.
What grade y'all both in?
Junior, we're juniors.
Okay. Okay, so what's your name?
Layla,
Okay. What grade you in?
11.
So what's one goal you want to have for this school year?
Maintain good grades.
Okay, good job. So what's your name?
Jeriel.
What grade you in?
11.
Okay, so what's one goal you have for this school year?
Stop skipping and pass for the year.
Okay, good, man. Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Theo.
Okay, so what's one achievement you want to have this school year?
One achievement I want to have is to win a championship and to be a better athlete, you know, be a better leader, you know?
Right. Okay, good job, man. What's your name?
Nishan.
Okay, so what's one goal this school year that you had?
To get all A's and B's.
And why is it like that?
To make my mom proud.
Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm with.
Nalaya.
And what's your favorite season and why?
Fall and Halloween, the cool leaves, the cold winter. It's just, yes.
Okay, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm with.
Tori.
And what's your favorite season and why?
Spring, because of my birthday, the freak.
Okay. Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm with.
Alicia.
And what's your favorite season and why?
Summer, because I'll be outside. I can't really say too much.
Okay. Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm with.
You with Fredo?
What's your favorite season and why?
Winter, because I could go to the Poconos.
Intriguing. Okay, thanks. Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm with.
You with Chris?
What's your favorite season of the year and why?
Winter, because I ain't gonna lie, I like hoodie season. I like being comfy.
Okay, thanks. Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm with.
Q.
And what's your favorite season of the year and why?
Summer, because I don't know, I'll be outside with my friends.
Amazing, because me too. Thanks.
So today I'm here with
Jalen.
So I got a question for you. What is your favorite scary movie and why?
My favorite scary movie is Monster House because it's pretty funny. I like the animation.
Thank you. Today I'm here with
Miliani.
I got a question for you. What is your favorite scary movie and why?
The Conjuring. Because, I don't know, I just like Conjuring movies and they're very entertaining.
All right, thank you. Today I'm here with
Jaylani.
I got a question for you. What is your favorite scary movie and why?
The Nun, #1. Oh, why? Because it's just like really like, it's scary. It's really scary. It really gets you. It got all the jump scares for real. #1, not #2 though.
Okay,
Bye,
thank
guys.
you. So today I'm here with
Joe Praioli.
So I got a couple of questions for you. What is your favorite scary movie and why?
The movie Gremlins, because it's kind of, the Gremlins are little munchy things running around and remind me of students.
What students do they remind you of?
I don't know if I'm at liberty to say that, but kind of quite a few of my seniors.
Okay. Thank you. Today I'm here with
Mrs. Armstrong.
So I got a question for you. What is your favorite scary movie and why?
Scary movie? Probably Nightmare on Elm Street, because Freddy Krueger. But I don't like scary movies.
Thank you, Ms. Armstrong.
You're welcome.
So today I'm here with
Jaden
and
Zah.
So I got a question for y'all. What is your favorite scary movie and why?
I would have to go with Ghostface or something like that.
I would say 13 Ghosts because when my mom had showed me the 13 Ghosts and stuff, it was all scary and stuff. That's why.
Well, I like the way how he goofy and stuff, and he just be calling you.
Yeah.
What's up?
So you look like you, basically.
Welcome back. There's no sports updates this week as we are waiting for the winter sports. So that is all for now. Thank you so much for joining us today. Once again, I'm Jaime Laboy.
And I'm Joel.
Be on the lookout for more upcoming episodes here at FKDTV. Do you love getting hands-on and seeing your work shine? Then join the Mamma Mia set crew and help us build the sun-drenched island getaway for our musical. No experience is needed. Just bring your creativity and enthusiasm to design and build amazing pieces for the stage. Weather for this week. November 26th. It will be a half day for Thanksgiving. It will be in the auditorium from the items that are in most need are B17.
Up next, and apparently
Amir asked people what he wanted. Well,